Hi Capricorn! Welcome sa ating monthly reading sa buwan ng January 2024. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin ang inyong monthly reading pagdating sa larangan ng pag-ibig, career, money, finances, family, friendship, personal relationships, and situation. Okay? Sa unang part ng reading na to, ang ating general life reading at sa second part ang inyong love reading. For whoever will resonate with this one, since ito ay isang collective reading. And I would like to greet you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong holiday and with your family and loved ones. Okay? So, sa mga new viewers natin na ngayon pa lang po na nakasubaybay or nakapanood ng reading na to, welcome po sa ating Tagalog reading. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming pong salamat sa inyong pakikinig sa ating mga monthly readings at mga gabay. Okay? And, alright, so i-shuffle ko lang muna ang mga baraha in front of the camera, Capricorn, and I'll see you in few seconds, okay? Alright. Hi again, Capricorn. So, umpisa na natin ang inyong general life reading sa buwan ng Enero 2024 para sa ating collective Capricorn. Okay? So, position number 1 mo, Capricorn, meron tayong The Hermit, Major Arcana agad, no? Sa January 2024. Position number 2, another Major Arcana, The Sun. So, may mga major changes and shift ngayon sa pagpasok ng bagong taon para sa inyo, Capricorn. At sa position number 3, meron tayong Queen of Swords. Okay. Interesting, no? So, ang powerful ng January 2024 mo, ang daming changes and movements, okay? Na maaring dumating. Okay, and at the same time, it's a period of parang nagsa-soul searching tayo pagpasok ng bagong taon. Maaring yung energy to ng New Year, no? Na hinatid sa atin. So, na-bring in natin yung medyo may pagka-reflective tayo. Well, yung song nga na old lang sign, diba? Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. So, parang ganong energy pa rin ang nasa field nyo ngayong January 2024. But we will see. At position number 4, Capricorn, meron tayong 4 of Wands. Okay? Position number 5, interesting, meron tayong Ace of Wands. Position number 6, meron kang King of Cups. At the center naman, Capricorn, no? For New Year, meron tayong, okay, 5 of Wands. Okay? Umpisa na natin. So, meron tayong Hermit, Major Arcana. Ika lang yung sinasabi ko kanina. Katulad nga ng sinasabi ko kanina, no? Meron tayong major mga events and situations sa 2023 or in the past years na patuloy pa rin nating ini-evaluate, okay? But, ang sinasabi ngayon, since 2024 na, okay? But, kailangan na natin i-release tong energy na stuck tayo at iniisip natin at masyado tayong reflective. So, since napaka-festive ng holidays, no? So, i-bring in din natin yung festive energy na dala ng Christmas, na dala ng New Year sa atin para may pumasok na more positive changes. Okay? Yun nga ang nasa position number 2 mo. Okay? Ang Sun card. So, ang Sun card, ang sinasabi dito, ipagpatuloy mo pa rin maging optimistic, though reflective ka sa mga nangyayari, okay, or mga situations or mga people in the past, no, maaari na may mga lessons pa rin na hatid yung nakaraang taon, mga nakaraang buwan, no, mga nakaraang energies, which is okay. Pero sinasabi dito, don't dwell too much anymore on that. Huwag muna tayo na masyadong mas-stuck doon kasi yun ang Hermit, nasa release position. Okay, it's about time na you come out of your shell na. Yun ang sinasabi for January 2024 for you. Okay, at ipagpatuloy mo lang na maging optimistic. Okay, for January, since New Year to, ito ang Sun card, ang pinaka-positive card sa tarot, sa mga major arcana. So, pag nakita mo tong Sun card, sinasabi na ang 2024 sa'yo may hatid na magagandang simula, magagandang bagay, surprises, mga regalo, miracle, blessings, okay? So, continue to look forward, no? So, nasa transition ka kasi may Hermit ka and the Sun, no? So, parang nasa in-between ka. Pero it's about time na mag-cross ka na ng road. transition ka na dun sa old energy sa bago. At yung bago energy, yung sinasabi yung Sun card. Okay? Now, sa manifestation mo, meron tayong Queen of Swords. So, ang sinasabi dito, lahat ng mga manifestations or mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve for January 2024, kailangan mo i-approach yun with cautious. Okay? Tingnan mo kung may pitfall, may danger, may shady dun sa mga opportunities or beginnings or new people na makakasalumuha mo. Okay? Be more guarded sa mga manifestations mo. Okay? Mas pag-isipan. Okay? Kung gagawa tayo ng mga manifestations and decisions mo for January 2024, kailangan mas in alignment siya sa logic mo more than what you feel, yung gut feeling, yun ang sinasabi. Okay? It could come off as parang advice na rin sa'yo, Capricorn. Alright? Now, sa current energies mo, no, ang nakikita ko kasi medyo stable and secure naman, no? Yung mga external influences mo rin, maaaring may strong support system ka or foundation or mga beginnings na, alam mo yung nag-solidify na talaga, na on the ground na talaga, rooted na at stable and secure na. Like, maaaring nag-plant ka in the last few years or last few months ng mga effort, time, energy sa trabaho man yan, sa mga relationships mo, something na may na-build ka naman na ground up. And ang maganda doon is stable. Sabihin natin stable and secured, no? Na hindi siya something new eh. Hindi naman din something na madaling mag-crumble or gumuho. Okay, yun yung external influences. Maaaring stable ka doon sa job mo, stable na yung business mo or mga endeavors mo, mga bagay na nasimulan mo noon. Eventually, natanggap mo na yung reward, no? Sabihin natin, nag-evolve na into something much better, hindi lang sa beginning siya, no? Kasi sabi nga, great things start from small beginnings. So, sabihin na natin, napagdaanan mo na yung mga bagay sa simula na mahirap. And at the same time, medyo nag-umpisa na mag-catch up yung mga pinagpaguran mo. Yun yung external influences since 4 of Wands to, no? Ang maaari din na may mga loving energy, family, friend energy dito na nakapalibot sa'yo na strongly sinusuporta yung mga dreams, aspirations, and ambitions mo. But other than that, yung external energy mo, I think it's more, mas stable lang. Enough para i-keep ka na ipagpatuloy yung mga sinimulan mo noong mga nakaraang taon at nakaraang buwan. Okay? Now, kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo new beginning. Maging mas interested and mas curious tayo for January 2024. Nandiyan ang Ace of Wands. No, maging open tayo sa mga posibilidad sa January 2024. Nahatid ng mga bagong tao, bagong connection, bagong pag-ibig man yan, bagong opportunity, bagong trabaho, or mga ideas. Okay? Or, pwede rin na yung mga na-postpone mo ng mga dreams, ambitions, and mga plano nung nakaraang taon, it's about time na simulan mo ngayong January 2024. Nandiyan ang Ace of Wands. Okay? Yun yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Okay? Mas maging curious, mas maging interested and passionate tayo. Okay? For 2024, sa mga endeavors mo or sa mga connections. Learn to pursue, no? Huwag tayo yung parang fickle-minded na gusto ko to, tas nawawala yung interest. Huwag ganon. So, sinasabi dito, it's about tayo, i-pick up mo yung interest mo dun sa mga bagay na hindi mo na pagpatuloy or nahinto yung mga accomplishments, okay? Same sa career mo, kung medyo feeling mo you're stuck in a rut, no? At gusto mo mag-upskill, then gawin mo. It's about time to pick it up, yung mga old hobbies mo na stagnant or yung mga interest mo na hindi mo na pagpatuloy ng 2023 or the last few months ng 2023, okay? Now, sa new beginnings, interesting, no? It could also be leading to parang may potential na love interest for January 2024. Nandiyan ang King of Cups. Someone yung feelings is authentic, okay? Pero, kasi emotionally mature to. It could also be na ang new beginnings mo, it could be this person nga na emotionally mature na maaaring magkagusto sa'yo. Okay? Very loving and nurturing energy tong taong to. Kasi, ang King of Cups is a court card, no? So, binabasa ko to as a person. Okay? Maaaring may potential na love partner na darating sa January 2024 or this year. Pwede mag-span to across the next 1 to 3 months. Okay? Now, at the same time, pwede rin na ang mga new beginnings mo sinasabi na approach it with compassion, okay? And empathy. Okay, yung mga beginnings na to. Kailangan, ito yung mga something na gusto mong or nire-rewardan ka emotionally yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Alright? And then at the center, anong natutunan? 5 of Wands. Okay, sa 2023, I think Capricorn, ang hatid sa inyo nun before was a lot of, sabihin natin, few or a lot of or occasional hardship, disagreement, disharmony. It could make or break, no? Yung nakaraang taon, nakaraang buwan sa'yo. Kaya yung mga bagay na natutunan mo, that's why, ayaw mo na. So, ang maganda sa'yo is that, kaya ang sinasabi dito, may reflection ka, no, ng past few years mo kasi nasa 5 of Wands energy ka yata nung nakaraan taon or nakaraang buwan, no. Kailangan mo nang i-let go yung mga disharmony or disagreement mo sa buhay, okay? In people in general, okay? Yung natutunan mo doon. At willing kang mag-move forward kasi nandiyan yung sun eh. It doesn't affect you kasi ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi mo na sa position 2 on sun card, ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy, hindi naman negative or naging pessimistic masyado yung situation sa pananaw mo, no? Or sa spirit mo, sa puso mo. Medyo positive pa rin ang tingin mo, ang outlook mo sa buhay. Pero just be more cautious sa manifestations. Yun ang sinasabi nga. Yun yung natutunan mo dyan eh. Kasi maybe in the past, yung mga gusto mo, it always comes from, alam mo, pag nag-decision ka sa puso, sa emotions mo, no? So, it didn't end well, no? Lagi may disagreement, may away, pagtatalo. It could be make or break nga. Away bate, stable, and then wobbly. Alam mo yon, stable, tapos hindi na naman sure. Okay, may uncertainty sa pattern nun. Okay, yun natutunan mo. Kaya, yung manifestation, like I said, pag-isipang mabuti. And, ang maganda, pagpasok nung January 2024 mo, ang magiging current energy mo, mas stable and secure. 4 of Wands na to. Hindi na yung katulad ng dati na 5 of Wands. Okay? And you pick the people who will support you. Okay? So, yun ang general life reading nyo, Capricorns. Sana nag-resonate to sa inyo. And let's move on sa inyong love reading for the month of January 2024. I-shuffle lang muna natin ang mga baraha in front of the camera. And I'll see you, Capricorn, in few seconds. Okay? Hi Capricorn, so gawin na natin ang inyong love reading sa buwan ng January 2024. Tagalog reading to para sa ating collective Capricorn for whoever will resonate with this one. Okay? So let's begin sa inyong reading Capricorn, no? Sa unang position, meron tayong 7 of Swords. I swear, nakuha ko rin tong unang barahan na to sa, I think, yung pangalawang reading na ginawa ko. Okay? Scorpio. Position number 2, meron tayong Hierophant. Parang lumabas din to doon. Maybe you're dealing with a Scorpio, no? Okay, and then, meron kang Queen of Pentacles. Yung first two cards, I think something similar sa Scorpio na ginawa ko na reading kagabi. And then, meron tayong 8 of Swords. At Knight of Wands. Okay. Okay, tingnan muna natin tong first 5 cards mo, Capricorn, no? So, isa sa inyo, ikaw yung person mo, actually, you have a lot to give, okay? Napaka-nurturing na energy mo, napaka-giving, generous mo, okay? I would say na kaya mong i-invest panahon, oras, and energy, winning ka, kasi ikaw si Queen of Pentacles, no? May situation naman dito kasi, however, hindi natin nakikita ang connection na to for what it is, okay? May 8 of Swords, or stuck tayo sa thought natin, it could be you or yung person mo, Capricorn, no? Na you cannot let go of this connection for some reason, okay? Ngayon, sasabihin ko, it's either you or them na ikaw yung willing na mas mag-invest ng time, no? Pero kasi, isa sa connection na to, hindi kayang tapatan, hindi magka-match ang energy, okay? Ninyo, playboy, playgirl, enjoying the feel tong connection mo with this person. It could be you or them, no? Pwede nyo i-reverse yung situation. Knight of Wands. So, coming in and out, hindi consistent yung tao sa'yo, Capricorn, or ikaw sa kanya. Okay? Yun, hindi match ang energy. Isa is super matured, ready mag-settle down, ready sa commitment. Yung isa nag-e-enjoy pa. Namimili pa. Okay? Or nasa dating scene pa siya. Maaring is itong si Queen of Pentacles, isa pa lang sa option niya. Hindi kanya na-value because hindi kayo magka-match ng energy, no? Okay? If actually, itong si Queen of Pentacles, hindi niya deserve pa itong si Knight of Wands. Hindi ko deserve nitong Knight of Wands ko. Ikaw si Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn. Earth energy, so I would say baka ikaw si Queen of Pentacles kasi Earth energy to. Okay, so hindi natin nakikita yung situation for what it is. Yun yung case dito. Ngayon, ito pa may dagdag pa ng 7 of Swords, so may confusion, may dishonesty, may trust issues tayo sa connection na to or dun sa person, sa other person. May could be you or them, may reverse yung situation kasi nga Knight of Wands to, so may pagdududa na, no? May pagdududa tayo dito, coming in and out to, na parang pabugso-bugso lamang, panaka-naka, no? Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kailangan natin ng something na consistent na energy na nandyan lagi, hindi yung out and about. Okay, ganong energy siya. Clarify natin to para sa ating Capricorn ng mga barahan na to. Okay, let's see. Clarify natin sa isa. So, meron tayong transformation, death card. Okay, and then, si Hierophant kinlarify ng 6 of Wands. Okay. The Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Strength card para sa 8 of Swords. See? Major Arcana yan. And another Major Arcana, Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Okay, like I said, no, the odds will be turning on your favor. Okay? Kasi itong si Knight of Wands could be charging in again. Okay, yung Wheel of Fortune na to, may progress about something na passionate na connection. Could be you with another person. Okay, may progress naman doon. But like I said, the odds may be or not be sa favor mo. Okay, kasi ang Wheel of Fortune could bring good luck. Okay, so finally, may papasok na Knight, but sabi natin Knight in hindi siya shining armor, no? Kasi hindi siya si Knight of Cups, eh. Si Knight of Cups nagbe-bring in ng romance. Ito, passion ang dala nito, no? Something strong na attraction, physical attraction, sabihin na natin. Okay? But, it could change kasi energy shift and change. Ngayon, we're refusing to see this situation, no? Kasi nasa strength card tayo. Kasi, tinatry pa rin natin ipaglaban yung connection na to. Tinatry natin i-work out. Although, china-challenge ka ng connection na to. Itong connection na to sa'yo is challenging. Nandiyan ang strength card. So, sabihin na natin na kung di mo ila-let go yung thought or yung connection na to, no? To be with this person is strong. Nandun sa isip mo siya. Nasa mind space mo tong taong to a lot, Capricorn, no? Pero i-challenge niya yung connection na to, no? Magiging mas challenging siya sa'yo at this person at mas magiging mahirap. The more na challenging, the more na mas magiging mahirap tong connection na to. Kasi like I said, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, you cannot make up kasi lumabas si Strength card. Ayan, Lion and yung babae. So, kailangan mong i-tame. Kailangan mo i-find yung balance and harmony. Okay? So, as a Queen of Pentacles, no, na very nurturing, no, kailangan mo ng clarity, no, for what it is. Kasi yun ang kailangan mo, nandiyan ang 8 of Swords as a blockage. So, ngayon, January 24, kailangan mong maaaring mag-isip-isip tayo, magnilay-nilay tayo, no. Try mong hanapin yung truth about the connection, about this person. Kasi nandiyan na si 7 of Swords. Maaari na itong taong to may deceit, may false mask, hindi honest, may cheating na nangyayari, or maaari lang talagang inconsistent, no? Kasi nandiyan ang 7 of Swords, nandiyan pa ang Death card, Major Arcana, binakapan siya. So, parang on and off. So, nag-end na, tapos magta-transform uli, magkakaroon uli na panibagong cycle. So, magiging cycle lang. Kung ano sinasabi dito. Kaya nga, itatas ka. Yung patience mo, Strength card, yung challenge na to. This person is challenging you. Or are you willing to take the challenge with them? Or, kasi baka madrain naman yung energy mo in the process, diba? So, like I said, eto, hindi pa natin nababasa si Hierophant, Major Arcana, clarify si Six of Wands. So, there is this situation na sabi ko sa'yo is challenging you na makonquer itong person na to or makonquer mo siya. Nandiyan si Six of Wands. May lesson na kailangan matutunan dito. Are you really in love with the person or you're just, parang sinasabi nga nila, no? It's not a cliche. You're just attracted to them sa chasing gains, no? No, na parang pag nakuha mo siya, it brings you success or satisfaction or fulfillment. May lesson na kailangan matutunan dyan. It's about parang spiritual lesson versus yung lesson na or yung fulfillment na nakukuha ng ating physical desires or ng ating mga ego. It's two different thing. So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa reading nyo sa love situation, Capricorn, for whoever will resonate with this. And, I see you guys on your next month reading, Capricorn. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, guys. Bye!